Good morning, students. We will continue with the same unit, Yoga and Lifestyle. And today's topic is Asthma, procedure, benefits, and contraindication for Sukhasan, Chakrasan, and Bhujangasana. So, first of all, we will discuss little bit about asthma disease. What is called asthma? Asthma is a lung disease which the airways become blocked or narrow. Because of that, the person feels difficulties in his breathing. In his breathing, that is called asthma. Or you can see in the slide, a condition in which a person's airways become inflamed, narrow and swell and produce the extra mucus which makes the difficult to breathe the individual. That is called asthma. The excessive amount of mucus in the passage and the further narrow the airways become because it is sticky and become thick. Because of that only asthma disease occurs. It gives the problem in the daily life activity to the individual also. Sometimes it can lead the life-threatening or asthma attack to the human being. So it is very necessary to cure or prevent from the asthma diseases before start the symptoms to the asthma. Asthma cannot be cured, but the symptoms can be controlled. That means it is not cured fully, but it can be controlled. It is a genetic factor in the society. As per the doctor, it says that it is a genetic problem with the human being. There is two main types of medications used to or treatment for the asthma. The long term in such medications, the quick relief inhalers are used. It means those who are suffering from the asthma, they use inhalers and they relieve quickly while taking the inhalers in time to time. The symptoms of asthma is they will feel cough in the morning or in the night, or sometimes while doing different types of daily life-to-life activities, they feel difficulties in the respirations or in the breathing capacity. So this is the small description about the asthma. Now we will proceed to the benefits, procedure, benefits and contraindications for Sukhasan, Chakrasan and Bhujangasana.